Struggling to save money? Ever feel like your paycheck just disappears before you've even had a chance to put some aside? You're not alone. The traditional method of having all your money in one account makes it way too easy to spend what you meant to save. But what if there was a way to visually and automatically separate your money so you can save smarter without even thinking about it? That's where Monzo Pots come in. They're a game changer for anyone who wants to take control of their finances and hit their savings goals. Think of a pot like a digital piggy bank inside your Monzo account. It's a place to put money aside for a specific purpose, keeping it separate from your main spending balance. You can create a pot for literally anything: a holiday, a new phone, your emergency fund, or even just for your monthly bills. The beauty of it is how you can automate everything. When your salary lands, you can use the salary sorter feature to automatically split your income into different pots. Bills money goes into a bills pot, savings go straight into a savings pot, and the rest is left for your everyday spending. This is the pay yourself first principle in action, making sure you're saving before you have a chance to spend. Then there's roundups. This is my favorite feature for passive saving. You turn it on for a pot, and every time you spend, Monzo rounds up the transaction to the nearest pound and puts the spare change into that pot. For example, you buy a coffee for £3.40, and Monzo automatically puts 60p into your savings. It's so effortless, and those little amounts really add up over time. It's like finding a bunch of spare change at the end of every week. For bigger goals, you can set a target and a deadline for each pot. Monzo will show you a progress bar, making your goal feel much more achievable. You can even lock pots, which prevents you from taking money out until a specific date. This is perfect for when you need a little extra discipline to resist the temptation to dip into your savings. You can also get different types of pots, including savings pots that earn you interest, helping your money grow faster. So, whether you're saving for a holiday, building an emergency fund, or just trying to get a better handle on your bills, Monzo Pots make it simple and smart. They turn saving from a chore into a seamless part of your financial routine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.